No-shows are no fun, but instead of getting mad, let's get paid. With GoDaddy's Airo AI Builder, I can start taking deposits for bookings up front by connecting my website to Stripe, a payment provider trusted by millions worldwide. All we have to do is tell Airo to link our website's booking system to Stripe, and it'll do the hard work for us, all in just a few minutes. No coding and no need to install any apps or plugins. You don't need a Stripe account either, as Airo will give us a sandbox account, along with a test payment card that we can play around with. Just make sure that you set up or sign in to an actual Stripe account within 7 days, so you can start taking real payments. Not bad, but where can we see all these bookings and payments? Simple. By clicking the staff login option at the bottom of our website, we can sign ourselves up as an admin, which will let us see all sorts of important information, like our bookings, cancellations, services, along with a list of clients and staff members. We can even customize this dashboard by adding extra features. For example, if we want to blacklist certain customers who still don't show up to their bookings, we can ask Airo to add this feature, and in just a few minutes, it's live. Very nice, but why stop there? Let's say we want to give people optional extras that they can add to their bookings, like a stuffed toy for the kids, or a bottle of champagne for the grown-ups, something that'll really make them smile. As with before, we don't need to go through our code, as we can just tell Airo to create add-ons. From there, we can see a new page on our admin portal dedicated to this service, which I can easily add items to. Then, we just select what services we want to apply these add-ons to. Perfect, though having all these extras certainly adds up. So let's incentivize customers by creating discount codes that they can apply to their baskets. After all, who doesn't like saving money? Again, we just tell Airo that we want to set up coupons, and in a few minutes, it's ready. So let's say we want a 30% off coupon that's only available for the first 100 customers who use it. We'll use the code SAVE30, set the percentage to 30, the start and end dates for next month, and then limit the total uses to 100. As always, we'll test every feature we've added to make sure it all works. After all, better that it goes wrong for you than one of your customers, right? And we're done! In less than an hour, we've given ourselves an easier way to take customer bookings and payments. Not bad for a day's work. Try Airo AI Builder for yourself and see what you can make.